Alrighty guys, I'm gonna be unboxing a mini PC today. It is by Kamrui. It's the Kamrui GK3 Plus mini PC. I'll put it somewhere up here so you guys can see what model it is and also the specs that it comes with. But it seems to be fairly beefy specs from just sheer numbers. For it's such a tiny PC, and price point I'll show you guys at the very end what it was at the time of recording this video. But let's go ahead and get it open. So box is very straightforward. No specs or anything. Or actually, yeah, it does show the specs right there at the back. I believe it's running the Intel 12th gen Celeron, the N95. But here is everything here. So here's the PC itself. So very small and compact. And let's check out what else it comes with. So you got your power adapter, HDMI cable, some hardware, and a wall mount or a VESA mount. We'll take a look and see. And then manual. So let me clear this out. So the unit itself doesn't actually look too bad. You got your power button at the front with two USB 3.0 ports, one USB 2.0 port, I believe. The plugs are all kinds of wonky. So front, and then right to the side you have all of the other ports. So it supports two monitors, Ethernet, Kensington lock, you got your microphone / headphone jack, DC power, USB number 4, which looks like it's a USB 3.0, and then on the other side it has a VGA plug. So I think this is the front then, because power button is that way, so it sits like this. Let's take a look and see what it looks like on the inside. So alrighty guys, so what we'll do is, I forgot to mention, it looks like there's an easy release latch right here, but it's just held down by a screw. So let's take this screw out and we'll kind of see what it opens up. So it looks like we have a slot for a 2.5 inch laptop drive, already pre-wired. So let's see if we continue going down here to see what else we got. looks like It's just a single slot, single RAM slot. Let's see. Got 16 gig of RAM for sure. USB Type-C connection right there. Let's continue digging. Should be able to, but I don't have a screwdriver. Let's see. Yes, that will work. I'm gonna grab a flashlight so I can see what kind of connector that is, because I can't really see. Looks like there's actually one more right there, but I'm not gonna want to break this right here. But it looks like it does come with 512 storage and then expandable drive on here, so you can put, I believe, up to 2 terabytes as long as it physically fits in the housing here. But we'll put it back together and we'll call it a day. Alrighty guys, I just put it back together. First impressions, it does look fairly nice aesthetically. I don't know why they are still including a VGA port. I mean, it's just long gone now. But in case you do have an older monitor, it is there for you to use. I just don't like that it's on the side of the machine, so you'll be facing like this and the cable will be coming out that way. Power button is also on the side, and all the USBs are all behind. Other than that, the unit itself looks like it's just a little bit expandable with you adding the 2.5-inch drive just for added storage. I'll do some testing in another video to see if the drive that it comes with is an NVMe or just a standard SSD. Hey guys, it's just me here editing the video. I wanted to let you guys know I could not do any testing on the unit itself since it did not want to power on for me past the BIOS rate. So unfortunately, no other videos will come from this unit. So just want to give you guys a heads up. Thanks so much. Back to the video.